Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency investments. If you've been curious about how to get started, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down the process into 3 simple steps that will guide you on your journey to investing in cryptocurrencies. So, let's jump right in. The first crucial step before diving into cryptocurrency investments is to educate yourself. Understanding the basics of blockchain technology, the concept of decentralized finance, and how different cryptocurrencies work is essential. Take advantage of online resources, articles, and reputable websites to build a solid foundation of knowledge. The more you know, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions. Now that you have a good understanding of the crypto landscape, the next step is to choose a reliable platform to start your investments. There are various cryptocurrency exchanges available, each with its features and supported coins. Research and select a platform that aligns with your investment goals and provides a user-friendly experience. Some popular options include Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Remember to prioritize security features and check user reviews to ensure a trustworthy experience. With your knowledge and chosen platform in place, it's time to dip your toes into the world of cryptocurrency investments. Start small and consider diversifying your portfolio. Cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, so it's wise to spread your investments across different assets. This approach helps mitigate risks and allows you to explore various projects. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can adjust your portfolio accordingly. Before we wrap up, let's go over a few bonus tips. Stay updated with the latest news and trends in the cryptocurrency space, as this can significantly impact market movements. Additionally, consider using hardware wallets for added security when storing your cryptocurrencies for the long term. And remember, patience is key. Cryptocurrency investments may take time to yield significant returns, so stay focused on your long-term goals. There you have it. 3 simple steps to kickstart your journey into cryptocurrency investments. Remember, education, choosing the right platform, and starting small are the keys to success in this rapidly evolving market. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more valuable content. As always, happy investing, and I'll see you in the next video.